Alright, it's the Filament corner, the corner of Filament, corner of fun. We're doing some more pinheads. This should be around episode 3. Now, I got some more heads over here. I've got yet another Godzilla head. Although this one's different. This is a different model. The head is curved, it's not straight. And it's a pretty big head. This was also done on the Monoprice or Maker Select Delta. It's in the same yellow color as in the first episode, the straight Godzilla head that was done on that printer. So now we changed colors and we did this pigeon head, this cute little pigeon head. It's in a blue color, off the same.
Hold him sideways and I'll try
off
to
the
get
same
a good
printer.
shot. Oh, yeah.
So that
Okay,
Delta sold by Monoprice. That printer made that one, and it also made this one right here. This little raptor head.
Yeah, that one's gonna be a hard one. Oh, okay. I think I'm getting this. Yeah, I'm getting his shape.
And he's on a little.
Oh, yeah.
It looks like a guitar pick's what he's on. Looks like
Yeah.
a big guitar pick.
Yeah, it does.
So that's our 3 heads for today. Now, obviously, the Godzilla head will be the easiest one to stick the pin in because of how big it is. Let's see. First thing I'm going to do. This is the hardest head by far, the raptor head.
You want to tell everybody what you're doing in case this is somebody new that didn't see the first 2 episodes?
So what I'm basically doing is I've stuck a pin into the back of him, and that's going to be my pilot hole whenever I attempt to stick this hot pin into the back of this model. It's
The larger part of the pin.
It's easier to do it off of a pilot hole and just try to do it on the fly. So now I've got a hole.
Let's see if I can zoom in on that hole. Oh yeah, I see it.
And whenever the body of this all metal pin, push pin, it's all metal, whenever it heats up, that's going to be really hot, and I'm going to stick it into the model. But of course, it's easier if you've already got a hole to go off of. So the second one right here is this pigeon head.
And you're just measuring where you want it.
So basically, if I'm worried about the pin coming out of the front of the
Pigeon print.
Yeah, the print, in this case the pigeon, I'll hold the end that's going to go into the model up next to it.
Which is the thick end.
Yes, the handle part of a push pin. And so there's my hole.
Yep.
Not exact, but I'm not a machine. I'm not going to be exact. I'm just general.
Okay, that one yours.
And this one's big. This one shouldn't be that hard
Oh.
to stick the pin into.
Mm-hmm.
Easier to see that hole in the yellow.
Let me see. Oh yeah, yeah, pinhole. Exactly what it looks like.
So this one's a little bit crooked, and that's between the pin and the handle. There's nothing I can do about that. That's just how they came. So the first one we're going to do is the easiest one.
The big one.
The big one. And put my pin down, my pliers, because I know it gets hot quick. Drop it into my wood burner / soldering iron. Let it heat up. Have my head ready. And it's getting there. Just get it started. It's starting to go in. It's mostly in. Set that down. grab my pliers to finish putting it in the rest of the way where I can control the angle and everything. And voila.
Yep.
And now we set it on the side and we let it cool.
And then what are you going to do to it after you let it cool?
Super glue after everything is cool and is not hot, just to make sure that if there's any holes or gaps or any looseness, super glue will help keep everything together longer. So grab my second pin here, and I guess I'm going to do this pigeon head because it's not going to be as hard as the raptor. Stick it in. You can feel the heat. And pull it off, set it down, grab the pliers and finish it. And we're a little bit crooked, but we'll get there in the end. And there we go.
Yep.
Pin heads. Heads with pins in them. Time for the third one, the final one, the most difficult one, the raptor. And stick that in. It's heating up. Yep, need my pliers, thank you, assistant. And we finish it off, let it go the rest of the way in. And voila. He's not got a pin sticking out anywhere, that's pretty good. So that's that on those heads. Nothing else special to do to them. They're in PLA, so no acetone vapor smoothing. That won't work on those. So with that said, if you liked the video, there's more pinhead videos. You can always check the descriptions for the heads in each episode, and you can make your own wall of heads if you want to do something like that. If you want to check out any of my other videos, I got loads of other videos around 3D printing, and I did some wood burning recently. And if you like those videos, you can always subscribe or drop a like. And with that said, see you on the next video.